Hey everyone, welcome back to IG Garage. Today, we're tackling a common issue, P0480. This code means your car's cooling fan circuit isn't working, but don't worry. I'll show you where the critical components are so you can fix this problem quickly. Let's get started. So, what does P0480 mean? P0480 stands for Cooling Fan 1 Control Circuit Malfunction. This code indicates an issue with the cooling fan circuit. The fan keeps your engine cool, especially when idling. If it's not working, your engine can overheat. Locate and inspect the cooling fan relay. Alright, the first thing we need to do is locate the cooling fan. In most cars, the cooling fan is right behind the radiator. Let me show you. Here it is, the cooling fan, positioned behind the radiator. This fan pulls air through the radiator to cool the engine. Next up, we need to find the cooling fan relay. This small component controls the power to the fan. You'll usually find it in the engine bay fuse box. It might be labeled as fan relay or similar. A faulty relay could cause the fan not to operate correctly. If you're getting a P0480 code, check the cooling fan relay and wiring connections. Look for corrosion, burnt marks, or loose connections. A faulty relay or bad wiring can stop the fan, triggering the P0480 code. Test the relay by swapping it with a similar one to see if the fan starts working. Symptoms of a P0480 code include the engine overheating, the cooling fan not running when it should, and the check engine light. Check the cooling fan relay and connections. Replace a faulty relay and clean dirty connectors. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Test drive to ensure the fan works, keeping the engine cool. Knowing where to find the cooling fan and its relay can make a huge difference when dealing with a P0480 code. By checking these components first, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage. Thanks for watching.